Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today on my channel I'll be doing the unboxing of the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. The phone has been making waves since last 2 weeks that the phone was released, and then as a matter of fact I was actually among the first people that bought this phone, but due to the logistic issue that we have with sending goods from China to my country Nigeria, so I received the phone late than I expected, but thank God it's finally here. And then also because I am part of the people that bought first, I also got this gift, which is kind of awkward to me considering that the other people's are having a black box with the Leica branding, but my own came with a white box. So I don't know, but whatever it is, I think a gift is a gift. So since I did not pay money for it, so I think I just have to accept it, right? So let's first of all go to the phone and then unbox it and see what's inside. So the one I actually bought is the 12 gig RAM with the 512 gig storage, and then the color I bought should be the green. So I don't know, since I don't understand China, I don't know what they wrote there, so but I just pray it should be the color that I want. Okay, so we have the box, and then we have the regular paper work, and then we have the SIM ejector tools right there, and then we have the transparent case. Well, I think by now Xiaomi should do a little better, at least for a premium phone, include a very decent case and not this one. This is like old fashioned, although they are trying. Other brands do not even include anything. Then we have the phone, and it's the green color, and then we have the power brick, which is a 67 watt, and then we have the charging cable. Nothing more, I think. Nothing. Now the charging cable is a USB-A to USB-C, which is not really good in my opinion. I think they should come with Type-C to Type-C, but that is what I get. And then to the phone itself, well, the phone feels pretty good at the back. I like the texture at the back of the phone, and I also love the color. In fact, I think I made the right choice choosing this particular color. This is my 11 Ultra. It's actually a brand new one that was given to me as a replacement since my own got damaged. So I'm gonna use this opportunity to thank Xiaomi for giving me a brand new one as well. So let's see. On paper, the 11 Ultra is slightly bigger, but in reality I think they are almost the same thing, if not the same thing. In fact, you can hardly tell. Okay. The Ultra, oh my god. In fact, I can't tell. Honestly, if you keep these two phones side by side, nobody would tell you that this one is bigger than the other. I thought that the difference is going to be very much, but unfortunately the difference is not that much. So the difference in the size is not much, if not that the specs are already written. I think they have the same specs. So, and you can see, of course, because it's the Chinese version and the no global version for it, so everything is in China and it comes pre-installed with a lot of Chinese software. But I'll be getting rid of that very soon. So guys, that's it about the unboxing of the phone. So let's get to the gift. Now, like I said, the gift is pretty suspicious because from the other video I see they have a black box with Leica branding, but this my own gift came with white, which makes it very suspicious. So like the gift does not have any Xiaomi branding. But like I said, it's pretty nice. The umbrella, oh my god, I don't even know how to open this type of umbrella. Well, I think I will need to go and learn how to open the umbrella, because from what I'm seeing, it's like I've already damaged it. Okay guys, that's it. I'm going to talk a little about this gift. I'm going to do a separate video about that because I don't want this video to get unnecessarily long. So I got a cup and then an umbrella. So that's that about the unboxing. Thank you for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel for more video. Bye.